Alright, so we're going to talk about immediately invoked function expressions. So why do we use it? It's pronounced IIFE, and we use it because these functions are not given a name. Instead, they are executed once the interpreter comes across them, right? So it's just going to run it as soon as the browser loads. Let me just explain it by coding, because that's how we learn easily, right? So we can just, in Atom, you can just do this, IIFE, immediately invoke function expression, and just do this, and it's just gonna make this. But that's how we write it. Usually I write it like this. So you just do this, NCTLN function, and this. So that's how you do that. Immediately invoked function expression, right? And you can put anything right here, like console.log, hello. So this just gonna easily it's gonna load as soon as it's gonna run as soon as the browser loads. So let's just I'm live previewing it. Let's see, hello, right? Let's just do another one. Let's just do another example, like var variable area, and let's create another function expression and make it run as soon as the browser loads. And let's create another variable in here. Width is 10 and height is 5. And we're just going to return the width and the height. we can also document write it like this. Sorry. Document.write width times height, right? So it's just gonna run as soon as the browser loads. So see, so that's how you do immediately invoked function expression. That was one way to do it. This is another way to do it. It becomes a function expression like this. Alright, and now I want to talk about like these two parentheses, right? These two over here, just these two. These two tells the browser or the interpreter to like run it just as soon as the interpreter comes along this, just run it. You don't have to call it. Like, we don't have to call the function like this. We don't have to call it. Alright, it's just gonna run it as soon as it comes along. And this and this parenthesis just tells are to like ensure that the interpreter treats this as an expression. All right. So it's just a one way to use it. So we don't have to just call it. We can just we don't have to call it. That's the main part of doing immediately invoked function expression. Thank you. Thanks for watching, and I hope you learned something from this video.